First things first, pop the trunk. All right, so we are going to absolutely transform the look of the truck. So we have quite a bit to do. We have a lot of removing to do. So let's get started. First and foremost, we definitely have to get the grill off of the truck. So that should go as easy as that. So now what we have to do is we gotta wrap this bad boy up. We also have to do something else to the truck. So I don't know what to show you guys first, but we also, yeah, okay, so let's do the wrap. All right, so we're inside. If you don't know, this is a table that when I need to do work inside, this is the table we do it on. So let me show you guys what we're gonna do today.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so there's something missing right here, and we're about to customize it, make it one of a kind. This right here is a Toyota safety sensor. I have no idea how much it costs. I have no idea how long it'll take to get replaced, but you definitely want to remove it like ASAP when doing this mod. Set it aside, make sure it's safe, please. Now we got the grill insert. Now it's time to get creative. Now it's time to have some real fun. We have to wrap this with bada boom, bada bing. Check that out. So it's gonna be black, and then it's gonna say Aing right on the front. So let's go ahead and get started. You kind of have one chance at this, or else you have to order another one, and well, the budget just doesn't allow. You're gonna want to wipe it down. Make sure there's not a lot of mess on it. Keep it as clean as you can. I wiped it down with a lot of soap, a lot of water. Some people say use alcohol wipes. This is not a plug for Hilton Hotels, but it's the only thing we have. I don't have a squeegee, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So we got it peeled off. Now we have to try to line it up as best as possible. Oh, that was way horrid. That's probably not the most perfect one I'm gonna get, but
You're gonna try a little bit higher.
if I were to give you any advice, any tip, take your time. This looks pretty darn good. I have no experience in wrapping. I've never wrapped anything in my life. Wink, wink. But in all seriousness, if you just take your time, you really have patience with it, it'll work 100% of the time. The person who does this, I will link their Instagram in the description. They have a video that shows you how to do this. Take your time, watch the videos that he shows you. I promise you, it'll come out good. If I can do it, and you can do it, buddy, I promise. So this goes in two ways. So you can mess this up, but don't. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that thing literally said bada boom, bada bing. So you got 4 clips. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. And then you're all groovy. Sheesh. Yo, that is crazy. It could have gone a little bit more to the right, but we're not picky on the Aing channel. We already know this, okay? It is a complete other week. It's not even the next day. It's a whole different week. We are looking mighty, mighty fine. So this is what we're looking like right about now. So as you guys can see, the front logo is looking absolutely clean, absolutely snazzy. I actually posted it on my Instagram. A lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions, so let me put the truck a little bit more leveled, and then I can answer some questions and we can look at this a little bit better. It is such a crazy front look, and we're not even done yet, but right now in the daylight you can really see kind of the two-tone that we're going for. I am going to change the fog lights. I think I'm either going to go Dial Dynamic or Heretic Studios. I'm not 100% sure. There isn't any sensor problems, nothing. There's literally no problems. It just looks bad freaking PG-13, okay? It looks amazing. I know, people are gonna call me crazy, but I think it looks absolutely amazing. I literally can't stop. I love this truck so much. I literally just need this last piece to come in, and I think the exterior is gonna be pretty much done. Obviously, the truck is never done. So, with that being said, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys enjoyed today's Mod Monday. I will leave it down below in the comment section where you can actually find this type of logo replacement. If you're interested, definitely reach out to them. Let them know Aing sent you. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.